Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a letter. Write a letter to the chairman of your municipality requesting him to set up a park exclusively for the children and the senior citizens in your locality. To the chairman, Municipal Corporation, Diamond Harbour. Subject: requirement of park for children and senior citizen. Sir, with due respect and honor, I am writing this letter on behalf of the resident of our locality to kindly request for the establishment of a children's park. There is no children park in our locality. The children have to play on the road, which is very dangerous. A children's park would provide a secure and enjoyable space for kids to play, improve their physical and mental well-being. It also serves as a peaceful place for parents and senior citizens to relax. They would also enjoy the fresh air. So I humbly request you to consider this matter and take the necessary steps to set up a children's park in our locality. This initiative would bring immense joy and improve the quality of life for all residents. There are a number of plots lying vacant in this locality. A suitable one may be selected for the purpose. Kindly let me know if further details are needed. Thank you. Yours truly, own name, own address. Thank you for watching. To all of my dear students, please stay with me and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.